Hello my friends, my name is Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. I hope you're all doing well. This video is for all of you Nutella brioche lovers. I will show you how to make the most amazing, light and fluffy Nutella brioche twist. I hope you like my video and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Let's begin by dissolving 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar in half a cup of lukewarm water. Stir it a little and set it aside for about 5 minutes until the bubbles form on the surface. It is best to mix the ingredients with a stand mixer. Attach the paddle. Add 5 extra large eggs at room temperature into the bowl. Next, add in a 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, and 1 cup of unsalted melted butter. Mix for 2 minutes on medium speed. Add the bubbly yeast water and a 3/4 cup of lukewarm whole milk. Mix for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher or sea salt in 6 1/3 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. Mix it up. Add the flour in gradually and continue mixing on low-medium speed. Remove the paddle once the dough begins to thicken. Attach hook and continue adding the flour. Scrape down the bowl with a rubber spatula as needed and add the remaining flour. Continue mixing the dough for 10 minutes on medium speed. In the meantime, while the mixer is running, grease a large bowl with soft butter. Preheat the oven to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the temperature has reached 100 degrees, turn off the oven. The dough is ready for proofing once it detaches itself from the sides of the bowl and wraps itself around the hook. It should feel soft, silky, and smooth, not sticky. Transfer the dough into the buttered bowl. Using a pastry cutter, fold it onto itself 8 times while rotating the bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and a clean kitchen towel. Place the dough inside the warm oven with the light on. Let it rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. In the meantime, butter 2 9x5-inch loaf pans and set them aside. Once the dough has doubled in size, grease your fingers with some soft butter and transfer it onto your work surface. Fold it a few times and flatten a little with your hands. Using a rolling pin, flatten the dough and shape it into 22 inches wide by 18 inches long. Microwave half a cup of Nutella spread for 30 seconds. Spread the Nutella onto the dough, but don't add too close to the edges. Leave a 1-inch border all around. Roll the dough up. Cut off the 2 ends and place them in a buttered pan. Set them aside and they will be baked later. Using a sharp knife, cut the dough in half lengthwise. And then cut in the middle so that there are 4 pieces. Carefully cross over the 2 strands, folding one side over the other. Keep the side that is cut facing up. Transfer the Nutella Brioche Twist into the loaf pan and pinch both ends to seal. They are ready for the second proofing. Preheat the oven again to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Close the temperature once the oven has reached 100 degrees. Place both Nutella Brioche Twists inside the warm oven with the light on. Let them rise for 1 hour or until they have doubled in size. Once the loaves have doubled in size, take them out of the oven and place them on your counter. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for 35 to 40 minutes on bottom oven rack. Prepare the sugar water 5 minutes before the loaves come out of the oven. Dissolve a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a 1/4 cup of hot water. Using a pastry brush, glaze the loaves once they are hot and out of the oven. Bake the ends at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes on bottom rack. Brush them with sugar water. Once the Nutella Brioche Twists have cooled, remove them from the pans. Cut and see what they look like inside. This recipe produces 2 perfect, beautiful, soft and delicious loaves that will melt in your mouth. Thank you, my sweet Paulina, for taking the taste test.
I'm in heaven. It's so good. Why is it so good? Oh my Lord. Nutella.
Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.